Hey, listen, I'm not here to scare you, but if you're not paying attention, by 2030, you might lose your job. Yeah, you heard that right. Not because you're bad at it, but because of AI or someone using AI is doing it much better, cheaper, and faster. AI is taking over the world right now, and here is what AI can actually do. It is designing logos, writing blogs in seconds, editing videos, automating emails, answering customer queries, coding applications. It's replacing voice-over artists, video editors, and even models. And this is not the future, this is now. And we are not even scratching the surface yet. AGI is coming. Now what is AGI? It's nothing but artificial general intelligence. This means that AI won't just take commands. It will think, learn, adapt, and eventually feel like humans. AGI, it won't just take instructions. It is going to take decisions, job, and the entire role. And this isn't even the science fiction anymore. This is where we are headed. And if you think that your 9-to-5 job is safe, think again. Okay, I'm not saying that all jobs are going to disappear, but the way we are working is actually changing forever. And the worst you can do is that if you come home from work and if you are scrolling Instagram and binge watching Netflix, let me be very real with you. Someone out there is learning AI, they are building digital incomes and growing online. And this will eventually replace you. And the worst thing you can do right now is do nothing. Stay comfortable. This is your wake-up call. I would suggest that don't just rely on just your job. Start your second or third source of income. Start learning, not someday, today. There are a lot of skills which you can learn, like digital marketing, AI automation, freelancing, content creation, copywriting, e-commerce. Whatever clicks you, just go all in. Because 2030 isn't far. Okay, and if this hits you, you will either be ready or be left behind, And if this hits you hard, well, good. That's really amazing. Now go do something about it, okay? And follow me if you don't want to be left behind in this AI-driven world. I will give you the tools and the steps to eventually build something. So let's grow together before it's too late.